Hello everyone, this video is for you. It's a daily video that tells you what zone we're in, what basic weekly plan we're working on, and reminds you of your routines. Take a look, you'll see that these three things are here. There may be some other things in there that may or may not relate to the time of year, but that's okay. Enjoy. Hello Fly Babies, it's me, your FlyLady Kat, and I'm here today to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and to help you learn how to finally love yourself. Today is Wednesday, and here's what we're going to do. For those of you who are payroll Fly Babies, and those of you who are at-home Fly Babies, we're going to get up a half hour before the family and do our morning routine, followed by helping or directing or delegating the morning routine to your children, depending on how old they are, always inspecting what you expect. After the morning routine, if you're a payroll Fly Baby, here's what you're going to do. You're going to go to work, and you're going to think about the item that you've delegated for today, Wednesday, for the weekly home blessing hour. You're also going to make your grocery list. You're going to, before you leave the house, do a little quick cleanup out of the refrigerator to make sure there's nothing in there that doesn't need to be in there. Maybe make room for your new groceries, maybe wipe a circle or two. You're going to also take stock of what you need. Maybe you need eggs, maybe you need milk, maybe you need butter, etc. You're going to check your freezer and your pantry besides your refrigerator and make your menu based on what you have and make your grocery list based on what you're missing. You're going to make your grocery list from your menu. So you're going to make your menu first and then make your grocery list. You're going to check your budget. You're going to balance your checkbook. You're going to look at your debit card or your credit card receipts online and see if everything is yours. That's important. Always on that budget, you're going to make sure on your groceries that you spend $1 less than you budgeted. That's going to give you control. A little 100 cents is going to give you control, I promise. Okay, after you do that, when you are on your way home, you're going to give a reminder to whomever that you delegated the weekly home blessing hour item to, that they're to do that. And when you get home, the first thing you're going to do is inspect what you expect. Then you're going to do your clutter check. Oh, you're going to do a clutter check before you leave the house in the morning. You can't get away from it. If you do, you're going to have clutter. So clutter check in the morning, clutter check when you get home from work, inspect what you expect on that delegated item, put your laundry in the machine or the dryer if you have it already preset, work on your paper 1 inch, and then you're going to make dinner. While dinner is simmering or holding, you're going to work in your zone. We are still in zone 4, the master bedroom, so look at your list and see what item you want to clean or what thing you want to do in that room. Or if it still needs decluttering, you're going to spend 15 minutes picking up things that you're going to decide to throw away, put away, or give away into 3 different containers. When your 15 minutes is up, you're going to finish the process. Your dinner's going to be fine. Take the throwaway to the garbage or shred. Take the giveaway to the back of the car for Thursday. And take the put away around the house and put it in its homes. Put them in their homes, okay? Then you're having dinner. After dinner, we're going to have our after dinner routine with the family, another clutter check before bed for the little ones, and well, actually all the kids, because they have to go to bed at a certain time. If you have different age children, they have different bedtimes, and that's okay. And then you take care of yourself. Don't forget in the morning and before bed to check your planner. That's critical. Take out whatever it is you're going to have for lunch tomorrow or dinner tomorrow. Put it in the refrigerator so it can thaw. Make sure that you're checking what you have to wear, and that's it. Okay, if you're an at-home Fly Baby, again, you're going to do your routine a half hour before the rest of the family. Even if they're gone and you think you can get back in bed, you cannot get back in bed. Hear me well. If you do that, you won't get your stuff done in the day, and you will not be able to sleep at night. You have to stay up and do your work. You won't die. You can do this, okay? All right, so get up in the morning, do your routine, put your children through their routines. You're totally dressed, your bed is made, bathroom looks good, toilet is swished, sink is swiped, and the kitchen dishwasher has been emptied of the dishes, or the dish rack has been emptied of the dishes. They're all put away, and you have a nice clean sink to start the day. You've got your coffee or your tea or your water, and you've got some breakfast going. Okay. After that, we're going to look at, it is Wednesday, so it is planning and desk day. So you're going to do a clutter check real quick, and then you're going to look in the refrigerator, the freezer, and the pantry to see what you can make out of what you have for a menu. Don't forget breakfast, lunch, snacks, and dinners. And also other things like paper goods, baggies, things that you need for school lunches. And then you're going to put your laundry in. While the laundry's going, you're going to go through an inch of paper. So it's morning routine. It actually is morning routine, laundry, paper, and then the planning and desk day. So that you're going to take care of the fridge, give it a little wipe down if you have any spots in there, shove things around, make room, organize, like things together, take things out that are gross, get rid of them, and make a point not to make that much again of that particular thing because you always have it left over. Or if it's enough for 2 people or more, or even 1 person, label it and freeze it. You can use it for a lunch, or you can use it for a dinner if someone doesn't like what you're having, and they may like that. Okay? All right, so now you're going to go to your desk. You're going to balance your checkbook. You're going to look at your budget. You're going to make your grocery list. You're going to keep your groceries $1 less than what you would spend, what you budgeted for yourself. Again, that's a control thing. Then at lunchtime, you're going to do another clutter check. Oh, but before lunch, you're going to do zone 4, your bedroom. Go in there and do either 15 minutes of decluttering or 1 item that you're going to clean in the bedroom, master bathroom, or master closet. You've made your list of things that you want to do in that room. Pick one. Or if it's decluttering, declutter for 15 minutes. Don't forget to complete the process. Now, the rest of the day is yours after lunch until you do your dinner. So you're going to make your dinner. I hope you've kept your ear out for your laundry, remembering that until it's folded or hung up, you haven't done the laundry. We're not going to create from Mount Washmore. We're not going to create Mount Foldmore. We're going to put those things away. You are a dedicated, efficient, and really great homekeeper now. You are. People are impressed by you. Ooh. Okay, now after dinner, we're going to have our after dinner routine with the family. We're going to do another clutter check right before the before bed routine. The littles get their before bed routine first, then you have yours. That's it. Check your planner in the morning and the evening. Check to see what you're going to wear tomorrow. Lay it all out for yourself. Check to see what kind of food you're going to have for dinner. If you have it, you should have that written in your plan. I'm not going to say should. You do have that written in your planner, so check your planner and see what you have for dinner. Let me see what I have in mind for Thursday. Let's see. Oh, I'm on the wrong week. Thursday, chicken, broccoli, and rice. All right. And so that's what you're going to do. Lay it out, and then or put it in the fridge so it can thaw overnight. And then get yourself in bed a half hour before you need to be asleep. When the time is past, that half hour of relaxing, roll over and go to sleep. Okay, that's it for today. I hope you have a fabulous day. And always remember, all of my fly babies, all of my patrons, all of my lions living in your new strength, that you are beautiful. I hope you enjoyed that, and I know that you're going to have a great time in your house today. Remember to focus on getting it done first, fast, make it fun, and get it finished. Complete the process, and don't let those little things bug you that you see that are for future dates. Use your planner, and always remember that you are beautiful.